Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Charles Schwab app for managing insurance investments. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by unlocking your mobile device. Open the App Store on your device. If you're using an iPhone, tap on the App Store. For Android devices, tap on Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Charles Schwab. Tap on the search icon to begin the search. Locate the Charles Schwab app in the search results. Ensure it's the official app by checking the developer name. Once you find it, tap on the app icon. On the app page, look for the Get or Install button. Tap on the button to start downloading the app. Wait for the download to complete. Once the app is downloaded, tap Open to launch it. You may also find the app on your home screen or app drawer. The app will prompt you to sign in or create an account. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials. If you are a new user, follow the steps to create an account. After logging in, navigate to the section for managing insurance investments. Familiarize yourself with the app's layout and features. Explore the tools available for tracking and managing your investments. Make sure to enable notifications for updates and alerts. Your Charles Schwab app is now ready for use in managing your investments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.